words, few words of appreciation, whatever.
No, I guess, overall, I'm sure Anmol is, pretty happy with the way classes are going. I think it's a good productive time for him. So he really enjoys all the classes. I think some of the subjects where he has, whether it is Marathi, which is not his native language, he may have some issues. But overall, we are happy with the way classes are going. And I think we had our separate call with you the other day. So, I'm sure you're all helping Anmol to become a better person and grow up well. So, really, thank you to all of you for contributing to his future.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. It means a lot for us because that trust that parents show on us is very, very important. And that trust, is not for the sake of trusting. It is actual trust. That reflects in your eyes when you talk. That reflects when you are talking. The happiness on your cheeks and your lips. That shows that, yes, you are happy with the way it is going. It also helps us to just in another way say us that we are on the right track with child psychology, child's understanding. So thank you, sir. Thank you so much. We request Parthik's parents to open their mic and give their feedback, their suggestions.
Thank you, madam. First of all, I would like to say happy Dhanteras and happy Diwali in advance to all HOH staff and teachers.
Thank you,
We
sir,
are
and
really
same to you all.
happy. Thank you. We are really very happy.
I'm very happy.
Parthik is also very happy because the way you are teaching to them, and he's also connecting very closely with each and every teacher. Even if in this pandemic situation, still he's continuing his studies. So we are really very happy the way you are to take care of children and everything. And as far as our concern is, see, we are getting everything is fine, but except two. One is Marathi and second one is Hindi, because here our local language is Telugu. Okay, most of the times we'll speak to him in Telugu, so he couldn't able to catch that those classes. So whenever class, sorry, whenever that session has completed, could you please share that class what is it?
PPT.
Class PPT of Marathi, especially for Marathi and Hindi. Why? Because whenever we are free, we can sit with him to make him to learn those words and this thing. That's it from our side.
Thank you,
But
sir.
but he has
Teacher,
picked up very fast for Marathi and Hindi also.
Teacher,
To Snehal ma'am.
I was just going to say that, Shanti. I was just going to say that. Yes, Parthik, your turn.
it's my Diwali card.
Oh, thank you so much, Diwali card. Thank you so much for giving us Diwali card. Thank you. Okay,
I'm
Parthik,
very
now
Teacher.
Parthik, it's our turn to talk. You listen. You
Okay.
listen if you want to listen. Or if you want to go and play, you are allowed to go and play. Choice is yours. What would you do? You want to listen, then you sit and listen. Listening time, no talking time.
Okay.
Okay, yes, Shanti, over to you.
Yes, but he has fastly picked up for Marathi and Hindi also. We are very happy with for all the subjects also.
Yeah, so when Parthik's dad said that Hindi and Marathi is being little difficult, I remember the day he entered our school, head over heels school in Magarpatta. And now just in a year's time, right?
Yeah.
English
Yes.
was also a problem. Yeah. So now just see. So give him little time, he will pick up. Though it's a new language and all of us understand, it's not easy. For me to learn Telugu, I don't think so I'll learn. So it's difficult, but children can learn. They can be learned. They know, yeah. So they have this. So he will learn. Don't worry. Otherwise, he has grown beautifully. He is putting all his effort, and all teachers are enjoying. To have Parthik in class, it's really nice because his participation is 100%. That's really nice.
Thank you, man.
Yes. We were waiting for parents. I really have doubt, but there were 10 parents and nobody here. What do we do, Kavita?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you,
So
ma'am. Thank you to all teachers and staff.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, Karthik.
Bye bye. Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye. Happy Diwali, Parthi.
Happy Diwali, Karthik. Thank you so much for the card, Karthik. So thoughtful of you. So thoughtful of you to make a card for us. Thank you so much.
Happy crackers.
I will send you picture.
Yes, yes, definitely,
Okay.
definitely.
I'll wait to see the picture. Thank you. Okay. Avanti's parents have just joined.
Bye bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Parents, you can stay around. Even though you've had a word with us, you can stay around just to know the views of other parents. You can definitely stay around.
Good morning.
Good morning, Avni.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning,
Good morning.
Avanti. Good morning,
morning, teacher.
Avanti.
Good morning.
अरे अवंती के और दो दांत चले गए.
Oh, Avanti, Parthik.
Parthik, one by one, all the.
They all have
Also
gaps now.
Also
We are updated.
mine.
We are always updated. आज एक गया, आज दो गया.
Also mine.
Yes.
Anmol also, yes.
Yes,
Anmol.
Anmol, yes. Grade 1 always has
Separate
one or
that.
the other khidki open throughout. Somebody or the other is losing one teeth through the week.
अच्छे लग रहे हो. You all are looking nice. This is the beauty of this age. Till grade 2, grade 3.
Okay, Avni's mom, the mic is open for you. Anything you would like to share, concerns, feedback, anything. The mic is open for you.
No concerns. Feedback is as usual awesome. I can see that the kids are coming out with flying colors. I just had to take some revision with the help of your question bank that you had shared, and she's done well. Excellent job. I mean, the credit goes to you all as well, because you are the pillars of their education and you're taking very good care of that. So I'm pretty happy with it.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I
Thank you.
understood, because of this online classes, I understood the pattern and teaching of how it is to be taught. The same way I'm trying to get it done with her while doing her home assignments and all.
Mhm.
Because earlier when due to this, I mean, whatever in our school also, our parents never understood what exactly they used to teach. But due to this online forum, I came to know what is the exact teaching pattern. So I'm very much happy with everything. And main thing is
Thank
revision
you.
was done in the class. With me busy in the household work, with the office work, I was getting a bit less time. But yeah, the revision, what happened? Okay, the revision being taken in the class, my work was done much easier. So I was happy.
Thank you so much.
Come sit
Thank
here
you.
first.
Thank you, thank you. Ma'am.
No, it's fine if she's not willing to sit. Josna, let her go. If she's, it's fine. Thank
Okay,
you
no, she
so
wanted
much,
to sit. She
ma'am.
wanted to sit.
Getting feedback.
Voice is breaking. I think my internet problem.
Right. So thank you so much. Thank you very much for noticing
Thank you.
that and also appreciating it when given a chance. Yes, Avanti.
Yes.
Avanti, anyone, your parents who's along with you for PTM, beta?
I.
No.
Mommy.
Mama hai ke papa hai?
Mama.
Abhiram's mom is here. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. I'm sorry for the delay. Actually, I'm having some headache and just.
Oh.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, ma'am, your feedback, your suggestions, your guidelines, anything that you prefer to say today.
Yeah, actually, first of all, I would like to say thanks to all the teachers and their efforts, ma'am. Definitely it brought a difference in Abhiram, ma'am. I'm very much happy. Me and my husband especially, he's so excited and he's very, very happy. And I'm also very happy with his result, ma'am. Actually, I had a means a fear that how he will do in the exams, and in the oral also I thought how he will answer the questions, how the exam will continue. I had a means just a small fear, but little fear, but he did it very well. I was just a teacher is asking something, what he will say. Means he is actually, he don't have the fear of his exams, and he is not he did not understand what exams actually, what the meaning of exams. He don't have that fear actually. So he answered very freely, like as in classroom teachers, like as in regular class, how teacher asks, and just like that he answered without any fear. So I'm very.
Ma'am, I would say that, ma'am, we can see the efforts put by Abhiram and you. A big round of applause for both of you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you.
Ma'am, he has.
Thank you, ma'am.
I get goosebumps when I am saying this. He has shown a tremendous progress in this 6 months or 5 months journey. We are really happy with his performance. This change, sorry to say, was not expected so early. But yes, he has proved that things are possible if guided correctly. He is the right example to prove that yes, I can do it. If you guide me, I will do it. But please guide me properly. And that's the result. You have seen the report cards. You have seen the way he has performed. The answer sheet is with you. Yeah, so you can honestly evaluate your child. You can reflect on the efforts that you all have put and see the change. Now, if you don't change the pattern, he is going to grow beautifully, ma'am. Please don't change the pattern and let him grow beautifully. It's really nice. And thanks for the words of appreciation that was posted yesterday. Convey our thanks, a great big thank you to sir for reflecting. It was a reflex. When it was just a reflex, without a thought, without an ask. He could make and feel that change, and that's very well written in the post that he has given. So thank you so much, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Abhiram's father is also away from the kids, right? Abhiram's mom, he's not along with you all, right? He's staying in a different city right now.
No.
He's not.
Okay. Yeah, in different country.
And that, I'm sure Anmol's father will also have the same feeling because he's also in a different country. I can imagine how parents feel it like that in these uncertain times, the children are away and, to still feel connected with them thanks to technology. But the parents who are with the child, the amount of effort that they are taking with the child, it is very, very visible. It's very visible. And that's why we feel very proud of those parents, because they are all by themselves right now, managing a lot of other things apart from being one-to-one with the child's efforts. And that is very, very beautifully seen. Kudos to that.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
we
you so
request
much.
Ashwini ma'am to open them. Yes, ma'am. Sorry, I'm so sorry. Yes, ma'am. Abhiram's mom.
Actually, the effort is more from teachers, ma'am. The way of teaching is excellent. Actually, I like the teaching very much, ma'am. Teachers and student relation is very much very beautiful, and they are very friendly, and kids are habituated to teachers than parents. Actually, morning after waking up, my daughter, especially Sita, says, no, today is Sunday, no holiday. You are lying, mama. School will be there. Open up. We will log in. No, school will be there. School is there. No, our house is here. School will be open. No, you are lying, mama. Sunday is also working day. No. Like that, yes, students are more habituated to teachers actually. That credit goes to teachers only. Why? Because
That's our
their,
report card. Ma'am, thanks for giving our report card. That is our result. Thank you. We got our report card today from you. That's so nice of him to say that. Ashwini ma'am, could we request you to on your mic and your video? Vivan's mom, Geeta. Parents, we are waiting for you all. Request you to please on your mics and videos.
We still have Ruhi to join, right? Okay, I think Vivan's mother is opening her. Yes, we can hear you. We can hear you, but we can't see your video.
I'm speaking on behalf of Vivan. Actually, I'm Vivan's older brother.
Ah, okay. Hello.
Hello, ma'am. So it's been a great experience, actually.
Darling, we can't hear you.
Vivan's brother, we can't hear you. Okay. No, he's having network issues. He just logged out.
Okay. So not wasting much time. We have already waited for so many parents and they were supposed to log in. Maybe it's with some problem or some reason they are not here. But all those who are here, you all have seen the report cards. We don't have to share anything. The exams were not conducted to compare children. The exams were not conducted to know how intelligent they are. The exams were not conducted to see that, are ye kar sakta hai kya nahi. The exam was conducted to experience online exam for teachers and for children to experience kaise ho sakta hai, right? So don't take it ki if he has not done, that means he's not good in maths. He's not done, that means he's not good in science. Don't be judgmental about the report card. Just enjoy that report card. But there are definitely some do's during the vacation and otherwise that you parents have to be with your child and read. Reading will give them good vocabulary. Reading will give them good language to express. So children, for parents for grade 1, we will not practice what we have done. Don't give them rote learning. Sit and do this sum, sit and do that. Give them more books. Read with them along. Sit with them and read with them. If they read, their spellings are in place. If they read, their comprehension, understanding is in place. The analysis is happening in their mind. That is very important for this graders. And children all are clever. This age children are really important. They are very clever. They are computer age children. So they don't give them more of screen time. Now give them more of books, paper, drawing, colors, pencil, fine motors activities. Give them off screen time. Don't make them sit on the laptop and say, chalo isme se padhai karo, see this is there. Don't give them. Because another 3 months or another 5 months, we don't know how long, they again have to be learning online. So don't give them that. Make them a classroom scenario, let them be teacher, let them teach you all and give them that feeling so that they are curious to come back to online class. I understand from the children's this that they are enjoying online classes. They are enjoying, they are trying to understand. Probably going back to the school will take another 10-15 minutes, 10-15 days to adjust to the school. Now they have been tuned to this online school. So we will allow them to be with books, to read, to write, to help you, to do some kitchen work, to do some clay work, to do some creative work in the house. When they are doing that, we would like you all to share it in the group. We are not giving you all any homework. We are actually not giving you all in homework. But don't waste their time. Utilize their time. Don't set them free that chalo chutti hai to go, you have no homework, nothing to do. There are so many things to learn from the environment. Give them exposures to environment. Ignite their thinking to a topic, to a theme. Let them sit and plan a party. Let them sit and plan a festival, because those are the life skill, and that's the application way of, what you have learned can be applied. So do all such activities, interesting activities in the house. Let them explore, you enjoy, because we can't go out, we can't have vacation now, as going outing and meeting or greeting friends. So have a very good quality time with your children and enjoy this period. Yes, we have him here. Would you like to speak?
Yes,
Hello.
ma'am. Yes, can you hear me?
Yeah.
Actually, I'm Vivan's brother,
Yes,
as you
yes,
know.
yes.
So he's actually during this COVID situation, it's been a fantastic experience. Actually, the online classes are pretty good. So it's actually the teachers are actually making effort to for actually making effort to in order to understand. So that's fantastic. Actually, I have only one concern regarding the portion of English.
Okay.
So for Vivan, actually, he is not able to. He can't grasp. It's like a labyrinth of everything. So he can't able to grasp the words and all. So for the English, the portion is thoda too much. If I see it. So it's my opinion actually, but I don't know about others. It's just my personal opinion that English portion is thoda sa jada. So that's my main concern actually. And the second concern is Marathi, because actually we are South Indians, so Marathi naturally doesn't come. I have to work. In fact, I have to teach him everything. So he's not able to grasp that also. The Marathi and the English is thoda sa lacking behind. But it is fine. Everything and else he is very good actually. He loves to sing and all. He loves to dance and everything. So that's the only issue is like Marathi and English. English is thoda problem for him, because he's not able to grasp everything. The portion is too high. It's my personal opinion actually. I'm so sorry if I am saying that.
No, it's
but,
absolutely fine. Thanks for being honest. But I can relate it. I can totally resonate with your feeling, because when my daughter was teaching me German, I faced the same problem.
Okay. Exactly.
She was trying to teach me German, and I said, I can't take it anymore. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4 is okay. On tape is all okay. But now I don't want to take it anymore. Well,
Exactly.
Vivan, unfortunately, Vivan have no escape from that. He has no choice. He has to, but we are sure he will do it. He will take some more time, but he will do it.
Yes. Even I also have some sort of confidence on them, but the portion is bit high. I totally understand, because this is ICSE syllabus. Even I was in ICSE for 15 years actually. Entire childhood was from ICSE only. So I am used to it. I'm used to all these things. But Vivan is just a newcomer right now. But he is not able to grasp things like. He's finding sort of difficulties in grasping things like in English. It's thoda sa problem for him, and even Marathi.
Noted. They are language. He have liking for the exploration subjects, but language could be a problem. But yes, he will get through that. We have to continuously put effort. It is consistent effort will bring us the result. And thanks for sharing this concern regarding the portion. We will take care at his level. We will not expect much from him, but yes, we will take care of his level, and he will cope up. If you are there with him, he will definitely cope up. Don't worry.
Yeah, sure. Definitely, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Super responsible older brother.
Yeah, totally.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yes, Ashwini ma'am, would you like to open your mic and speak? Who is this? Somesh?
Abhiram's father.
Okay. Yes, sir. Would you like to speak, sir?
Yeah.
We have not seen you since many days. There you go. Hello. How are you, sir?
I'm doing pretty good. And thanks so much for all the kind of support that you're showing and taking care of my kid especially. Actually, I'm so thankful to you. That's I can say more. And yeah, I'm so thankful to you all. That's
Sir,
all I
we
can
are
say because
equally thankful. We are equally thankful for the support that you all are giving your child, and making the facilitating him with all the aids that is required for learning. So yes, 50U 50B, and the child is growing beautifully. So thank you so much for sending us words of appreciation, and that was a very reflex response. I really liked it, because
Yeah.
we need parents who would speak their heart for not just appreciation, but yes, come up with all the insights and the concern that the school should do well for the child. So thank you so much. Your valuable
Yeah,
feedbacks are
the
always
only
appreciated by the
actually I can see the interest what Abhiram is showing right now is nowadays. Actually, it was not like that, and you made learning as a kind of fun actually, which I liked a lot. And yeah, he's more focused nowadays because all these things are happening because of all your the good methodologies that you're following, and that I can attribute to that. And really awesome.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Snehal teacher, is there anything that you would like to share with parents around the language?
आवाज आ रही है सबको?
हाँ, अभी आ रही है, yes.
ओके ओके। एक बात मैं कहना चाहती हूँ कि ऐसा होता है कि मराठी आती नहीं है या जल्दी समझ में नहीं आ रही है, मेरा बच्चा उतना ठीक से बोल नहीं पाता है, बट जस्ट एक 4 या 5 महीने हो गए जून से लेकर अब तक कि मराठी वो अब आधा घंटा सुनने लगा है। तो थोड़ा टाइम लेंगे वो, बट वो सीख जाएंगे। ऐसा नहीं है कि वो कुछ भी नहीं कर रहे। जैसे कि विवान के केस में कि अगर उसे बोला जाए हर टाइम मराठी का या हिंदी का क्लास होता है तो अगोबाई ढगोबाई गाना उसे चाहिए तो चाहिए। मतलब मैं मतलब ज्योति टीचर के हर 5 मिनट में लेती हूँ कि सिर्फ वो गाना सुनने के लिए। और ग्रेड 1 के हर बच्चे का वो फेवरेट गाना है, फिर वो अनमोल हो, पार्थिक हो, कोई भी हो। एक सिंपल ये है, हम सब पेरेंट्स हैं और हम सब जानते हैं, मैं कोई नई बात नहीं कहना चाहूँगी, बट एक है कि जब अपना बच्चा 6 महीने का, 8 महीने का, 12 महीने का होता है, हम उससे कंटिन्यूस बातें करते रहते, वेदर ही इज नॉट रिप्लाइंग, कुछ रिप्लाई नहीं देता, सिर्फ हंसता है, उस हंसने के कारण हम उससे बातें करते। फिर ऐसा होता है कि बच्चा कोई 1 साल में बोलता है एक वर्ड, कोई 2 साल में बोलता है, किसी को बोलने के लिए 2.5 साल भी लगते, बट हम तब गिव अप नहीं करते। तब हम 1.5 साल के बच्चे को कोई इंग्लिश का या अपनी मदर टंग का क्लास नहीं लगाते। हम ऐसा नहीं सोचते कि बाबा अभी इसके ये बोलना नहीं आ रहा है, कुछ तो क्लास कर दे या कुछ। हम अपनी जो प्रोसेस है, हमारी जो बातें हैं वो कंटिन्यू करते रहते। सेम हमें जो थर्ड लैंग्वेज है या सेकेंड लैंग्वेज है उसके साथ करना है, उसे ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा सुनने का मौका देना है, क्योंकि जितना जितना ज़्यादा वो सुनेगा उतना ज़्यादा वो सीखेगा और बोलने के लिए मतलब बोलने के लिए ट्राई करेगा। अगर हम ज़्यादा उसे सुनाएंगे तो वो ज़्यादा सीखेगा, ज़्यादा बोलेगा। बोलने के लिए टाइम लगेगा, बट ऐसा होगा कि तब तक उसकी वोकैबुलरी बिल्ड कर रहे हैं हम, और एक दिन ऐसा आएगा वो डायरेक्टली बोल देगा और हम बोलेंगे अरे इसको इतने सारे वर्ड्स एक साथ कैसे क्या बोल दिया। तो मराठी के जो गाने हैं या मराठी की जो स्टोरी है, हर बार ये ज़रूरी नहीं है कि आपको उसके हाथ में फ़ोन देना है या लैपटॉप देकर ही करना है। आपको फ़ोन पे प्ले करके आप कोई एक छोटा सा ब्लूटूथ स्पीकर हो उस पे डाल देना। आई एम श्योर सिर्फ बच्चा नहीं, आप घर वाले सब लोग मराठी सीख जाएंगे, क्योंकि वो सुनकर ऐसा हो जाएगा कि वो आपको भी समझ में आ जाएगा और वो इजीली आप 2 महीने बाद बोलेंगे अरे हाँ इसके आगे ये वर्ड है या इसके आगे ये सेंटेंस है, ये बोलने वाले। तो आप सुनकर वो आप चीज़ सीख जाओगे। उसके बाद में ऐसा होता है कि राइटिंग के लिए राइटिंग पार्ट आ जाता है। तो एक बेनिफिट है हिंदी और मराठी का कि दोनों की जो लिपि है, जो स्क्रिप्ट है वो सेम है, दैट इज देवनागरी स्क्रिप्ट। मतलब आपको हिंदी पढ़ने को आती है तो आपको मराठी पढ़ने के लिए आ जाएगी। यस, ये है कि आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा शायद वो क्या है उसका अर्थ, बट आपको पढ़ने के लिए आ सकता है। तो ऐसा होगा कि आप पढ़ने के लिए तो इनकरेज कर सकते हैं उनको, या उनको पढ़ के दिखा सकते हैं, जैसे कि बेड टाइम स्टोरीज होती है। हाँ, आप हिंदी पढ़ने के लिए, हिंदी बुक्स पढ़ने के लिए शुरुआत करो। थोड़ी देर दिनों बाद आप मराठी भी बुक्स एक आध दूसरी शुरू की, छोटे छोटे स्टोरीज होती है। तो इससे ऐसा होगा कि उनके जितने कान पर हम ऐसे मराठी में बोलते जाता है की कानावर संस्कार करायचे असतात, कि आप जितना उसे उस भाषा का सुनाओगे तो वो हो जाएगा। अब कॉपी राइटिंग के लिए तो ऐसा होता है कि हम हर महीना जो कुछ ग्रोसरी शॉपिंग हो जाती है, कुछ लाते हैं, तो अभी बच्चों को एंगेज रखने के लिए और दूसरी चीज के उनको मराठी और हिंदी का कॉपी राइटिंग करने के लिए एक बहुत अच्छी एक्टिविटी है। जैसे कि हमारे कुछ बॉक्सेस आते हैं चाय पाउडर या उसके, उस पे नो डाउट इंग्लिश में नाम लिखा होता है, बट अभी ऐसा हुआ है कि हर कुछ मराठी में भी देना पड़ता है। देखो यहाँ पे लिखा है मराठी में वाघ बकरी, तो इसके नीचे भी लिखा है वाघ बकरी चाह। जैसे ये कसूरी मेथी का है, तो कसूरी मेथी यहाँ मराठी इंग्लिश में लिखा है, बट यहाँ पे पीछे मराठी में लिखा है। तो आपको यस ये कट करके मराठी और यहाँ पे ये मराठी वाला, वो बच्चे को बोल गया है कि आपके दरवाजे के पीछे आप डबल साइडेड टेप से चिपका देना। तो वो जितना देखेगा, रोज ऐसे कुछ टाइम सेट करना है कि खाने से पहले या सोने से पहले, कि आप वो रीड करोगे, देखोगे, पढ़ोगे, तो ऐसा होगा वो देख देख कर वो जल्दी सीख जाएगा। हमारा सबसे सेंस ऑर्गन्स में अपनी आईज जो है वो सबसे ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले करते हैं, कि 83% नॉलेज हम आईज से लेते हैं। तो जितना वो ये देखेगा, उसपे ये होता है कि ऊ की मात्रा, आ की मात्रा, ये काना है, मात्रा है, तो ये ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे लिखा होता है। तो उससे क्या होगा कि बच्चा वो जान पाएगा और देख पाएगा। और ये ऐसा नहीं है कि सिर्फ मराठी और हिंदी के लिए, ये ओवरऑल जो आपकी सब्जेक्ट है उसमें हेल्प होगा। जैसे अभी ये है मसाला है, यहाँ पे पाव भाजी मसाला लिखा है, ये मराठी में नाम लिखा है पाव भाजी मसाला। उसके पीछे जो रेसिपी दी गई है वो इंग्लिश में है और यहाँ पे हिंदी में भी है। तो आप उसे ये कैसा डालना है, कैसा करना है, इसमें कौन सी दाल यूज की जाती, तूर दाल यूज की जाती, उसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में क्या बोलते हैं, फिर उस नाम का उस दाल का नाम लिखो। फिर वो क्या है, पल्सेस है या फिर स्प्राउट्स में आ जाता है। फिर ये जो इसके नाम है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट, अगर ये ज्यादा से ज्यादा 5 या 10 रुपए का बॉक्स आ जाता है जो हम हर महीना खरीदते ही है। यहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि बाबा सुहाना है, एवरेस्ट है, तो एवरेस्ट नाम क्यों दिया होगा, शायद उनका क्या सोच होगी। तो आप उससे बच्चे को सोचने के लिए एक्टिवेट कर देते हो। वो आंसर नहीं दे पाएगा कि एवरेस्ट नाम क्यों, बट आप बोल सकते हो कि बाबा एवरेस्ट नाम और किसका है, ये माउंट एवरेस्ट है, वो कौन से कौन से माउंटेन में है, हिमालय के है, या और फिर अपने महाराष्ट्र में कौन से। तो उनका जीके हो, हिंदी हो, मराठी हो, वो ओवरऑल उनको बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट हो जाएगा समझने में, सुनने में। और हर जो कुछ है वो विथ पिक्चर आता है। तो इससे क्या होगा, बच्चे को आपको कुछ प्रिंट आउट निकाल के देना है या कुछ अलग से एफर्ट करना है, उसकी ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी। जैसे आपको ये संभाल के रखना है और वो चिपका देना है वैसे। फिर ऐसा होता है कि हिंदी मराठी में ये मंथ्स ऑफ नेम्स ऑफ द मंथ लिखने हैं या फिर डेज ऑफ द वीक लिखने हैं। तो वहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि नवंबर, सितंबर ये लिखने। तो मोस्टली बच्चों का एक स्पेशली ये रहता है कि उनको बर्थडेज बहुत ज़्यादा भाते हैं या उनको अच्छा लगता है बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट करना। तो आपको ये करना है कि ऐसे बर्थडेज निकालने कि हर महीने में किसी एक का बर्थडे हो, जैसे किसी मामा का, चाचा का, नानी का, दादी का। तो वो उनको बोलना है कि हिंदी में हम लिखेंगे कि दादी का बर्थडे, या फिर दादी लिखा और उनका बर्थडे की 17 अक्टूबर या 13 सितंबर। तो हिंदी में लिखना है, मराठी में लिखना है। तो इससे ऐसा होगा कि वो हिंदी में लिखेंगे, मराठी में आप पहली लाइन लिख के दो, उसके बाद में वो कॉपी करेगा और वो लिखेगा। फिर उस मंथ आपको उसे बोलना है कि हम कुछ कार्ड बनाएंगे, आप फोटो खींच के किसी को भेज सकते। अगर किसी मंथ में किसी का बर्थडे है ही नहीं, किसी रिलेटिव का या आपके घर में से, तो आप उनको उनके जो फेवरेट कैरेक्टर है, कार्टून कैरेक्टर हो या कोई एक्टर हो, उन्हें पसंद आता है कि बाबा टाइगर श्रॉफ पसंद है किसी को, या फिर धोनी पसंद है किसी को, तो उसका बर्थडे कौन से मंथ में है, तो वो आप उसको ये करके कि हाँ इस मंथ में जुलाई में धोनी का है, तो हम उस वहाँ पे लिखो कि 7 जुलाई ये धोनी का बर्थडे है। तो बच्चे का मतलब जीके के भी होगा और उसका जो लिखाई है, जो कॉपी राइटिंग है, वो भी नो डाउट हो जाएगा। और जो कुछ वर्ड्स है, जैसे कि अभी तो फर्स्ट ग्रेड में इतनी रीडिंग शुरू हुई नहीं है, बट ऐसे होता है कि कुछ वर्ड्स है जो जिसे हम साइट वर्ड्स बोलते हैं, इंग्लिश में भी है वैसे मराठी में भी है। वो वर्ड्स अगर आपने नोट डाउन कर लिए एक छोटे शीट ऑफ पेपर पे रेक्टेंगुलर साइज के, और वो आपने आपके डोर के पीछे लगा दिए, या आपने ऐसे एक वर्ड वॉल बनाई, जैसे कि कारण, त्यांनी, त्यांचे, म्हणून, तो वो वर्ड्स अगर रोज 5 मिनट के लिए आप रीड करोगे, 10 वर्ड्स रीड करने के लिए ज्यादा से ज्यादा 5 मिनट लगेंगे, उससे ज्यादा नहीं लिखेंगे, या 10 मिनट लगेंगे। तो वो अगर आप उसके साथ में रोज रीड करोगे तो वो देख देख के बच्चा ऑटोमेटिक रीड करना शुरू हो जाएगा। क्यों? क्योंकि उसने वो रोज देखा है, उसके सामने है। इसी तरह से ऐसा होगा कि मराठी हिंदी में इंटरेस्ट भी पैदा हो जाएगा, वो कॉपीराइटिंग भी कर पाएंगे, और वो और चीजें आपको बता सकते हैं। और उसके साथ में उनको पिक्चर ड्रॉ करने के लिए, ये अपने जो फ्रूट जूसेस के बॉटल्स पैकेट्स होते हैं, तो इनमें डिफरेंट टाइप्स के हम लाते हैं, बट ये हम बाद में फेंक देते हैं। तो उनको ये बोला जाए कि इसका नाम लिखो, जैसे दिस इज लीची, तो लीची हम कैसे लिखेंगे, तो आपने हिंदी में लिख के दिखाया, दिस इज लीची, ड्रॉ करो, ये सामने रखो और बच्चे को पिक्चर ड्रॉ करने के देखो, कलर करने के देखो। तो इससे ऐसा होगा कि बच्चा और ज्यादा सोचने लगेगा, इन्वॉल्व हो जाएगा, उसका स्क्रीन टाइम भी कम हो जाएगा, और मराठी हिंदी में इंटरेस्ट बढ़ेगा। यस पद्मा।
Snail teacher, thank you so much for this insight. Sorry to interrupt you. I am sorry. But you know, just a thought, being very reflex, not giving a thought. We can have a workshop around this, Kavita. We can have a workshop or workshop around this methodology for the languages. Just a thought. If parents agree to, maybe not during the vacation, but yes, later we can plan a workshop, and it will be easier because see, there are beautiful insights and beautiful methodology shared by Snail teacher. But the problem is we are unable to make a note of it, right? So I don't think so. I'm relating for my child. I don't think so. We will understand, but when it comes to application, it will be very difficult for us. Kya bola tha? Now it is easier for us to know. Acha, ye bhi ho sakta hai, waisa bhi ho sakta hai. Out of 10, I'm sure you all will try maximum of it. But let us take it. If the execution should be 100%, we would have a workshop around this. Yeah, Snail teacher, if you also agree, yeah, because these are fantastic methodology. This will really help your children to grow. So we can have a workshop, a very detailed planned workshop, and rather show them how we are doing it, right? So this is like half knowledge, then there will be a confusion. I don't know. I thought that will create a confusion, and then to unlearn becomes very difficult. So given in a right form with the right person will be better than doing all this.
Okay. Sure, Snehal teacher.
Parents, if you all agree, I'm sorry, but yes, that's a thought. I couldn't resist.
Okay. Yes, we'll coordinate with Snehal teacher, and we'll take a poll from parents. And if all are interested, we can definitely have one workshop. Here, I also want to say one thing, that let us not put it into our children's head that any language you need to be scared of. Okay.
Yeah.
Don't be scared of any language, because today in school we are trying to teach Hindi or Marathi. Maybe another 10 years down the line, if they have to go out of country, any European country, the fear of a new language will stay in their head because it's been with them right from childhood. We don't want that. I'm sure many of us have traveled overseas, or even those who have not, that's okay. What do we typically do? We look to pick up some key words that are going to be used in that country. Like when you get out of the airport, what do you need to know? You need to know what is exit called in that language. What is enter called in that language? Because these are, right direction, left direction, washroom, hand wash, all these things we do typically look for. इसको इस लैंग्वेज में क्या बोलते हैं? क्योंकि जैसे हम पूना में आते सब कुछ मराठी में लिखा रहता है, How will a foreigner come here and suddenly try to understand? Because they check it up, you know. But that fear of a language should not be there. So if I had to introduce a German language into grade 1, trust me, all of us are going to feel the same, just the way we are feeling for a Marathi right now. Okay, because for all of us, that German is going to be suddenly out of the world. Or even if it is French or Spanish, a new language is always supposed to be accepted first before we start to learn it. Our children are comfortable with English because they have been learning it from the day they entered the school. So playgroup, nursery, junior, senior, they've taken 4 years to get to grade 1 to make a sentence. Okay, right now we have only completed like 6 months of a language. We need to give them time that by the time they are in grade 3 or 4, they will be having the same proficiency that they have with English right now. That is for given, that is for sure. Okay, and we also need to understand that when it comes to English, we speak that language in one way or the other, at least for 5 to 10 minutes throughout the day, in one day. You might say some sentence in your mother tongue, and then you might just, suddenly reflect it in English, just casually, just naturally. You may not use a German or a French or a Marathi to do that. So there's no translation of language happening. Okay, but to learn a language, you got to constantly translate it from a known language to the new language. Okay, so don't worry about a new language at all. We are all very, very fortunate to have Snehal teacher with us because she's also a remedial teacher. As a remedial teacher, such teachers find easier and better ways to teach children. They find the tact out of a child in what way they will learn it faster, and they are very, very child centric. They literally do it one-to-one with children. So you don't have to worry about a language at all. All right, so whether it is English, Hindi, Marathi, do not worry about your child getting uncomfortable with the language. In fact, as parents, we need to make them comfortable with the language. क्या हुआ, नया तो सीखना है, मैथ्स भी तो नया सीख रहे हैं ना, इसके पहले थोड़ी तुमको एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन पता था, नहीं अभी सिखा रही है ना टीचर, सीख लेंगे. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, सेकेंडरी ग्रेड तक एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन चलता है, अभी सिंगल डिजिट है, बाद में 9-10 डिजिट तक का जाता है. एंड इवन देयर वी हैव चिल्ड्रन मेकिंग क्रेजी मिस्टेक्स. Even there we have children making crazy, silly mistakes with carrying forward in subtraction just because it became 10 lakhs and 1 crore. So it is a process. Don't be scared of it. First of all, as parents, stop getting worried. Oh my God, this is a new language. I don't speak this in the house. How am I going to teach your child? It's not for you to teach your child. Teaching anything to the child from an academical point of view is the teacher's job. And teachers will do it. उनका नैया चलते जाएगा, वो जब पार होना होगा वो हो जाएगा. There is enough time for it. There is enough time. Let's relax with them. Let us also as parents learn this new language. Okay, the videos that teachers are sending, play it in the house, and you also start learning it with the child in the house. So when you show that interest, your child will automatically start feeling the interest for it. But the more you feel that, oh my God, I also don't know it, how am I going to teach it to you? When that subconscious thought comes in, it definitely passes on to the child. So we don't want that to happen. Trust Snehal teacher, she will take it through, and I'm very, very confident that children will get there with that language. We are all new to the language, but we will all learn it. Remember how your child has learned, come out of mother tongue and become affluent with English now in 4 years' time? Similarly,
Kavita ma'am, sorry to Kavita ma'am, sorry to interrupt you in between. So I tried to unmute my mic for quite a long time. Yeah, madam.
Okay. Yes.
I tried to unmute my mic for quite a long time, and so which hasn't happened. So what is the driving factor for the kids to learn to become a polyglot?
To become a
polyglot.
Who's he?
Can you explain that word, please?
Yeah, it's a multilingual, having knowledge or acquiring the skills in multiple languages.
Okay. Well, Kavita, you would like to answer or should I answer?
You can go ahead. I will continue.
Okay. So yes, when we were talking about language, same thing was striking, and it was running in my mind. And I had a urge, couldn't wait. So I told Kavita, you hold on, I will speak on this. See, children exposed to many language will pick up all the languages,
Right.
but at their own level. Sir,
Okay.
absolutely at their own level. Languages will come through listening, 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 and then speaking. Okay. So you have to, if you give exposure of languages to them, they will pick up. Later, it's like a babbling, you know, later we also do that. When we are talking Hindi, we put some English. When we are talking English, we put some Hindi words. So this babbling will come there. They will mix all 3-4 languages, what they are learning. Later, they'll understand with a self-reflection that, array, this is a German word and I'm supposed to use it here. This is a Hindi word I'm supposed to use. So by 7 years, you know, at the age of 7 and 8, haven't been exposed for 5 complete years to the languages you want the child to learn. After 5 years, the child will be able to speak, or rather express himself or herself in words.
Yeah. Thank you, ma'am, for your inputs. Because I'm asking this question in connection to Abhiram, because he's actually, I personally consider actually is little behind the other students actually. So how to bring him in kind of learning more languages or something like that, because he has a difficulty in actually in conveying a meaning in something in one language itself. So I wish to see him to speak more languages, or else getting acquainted with more languages. Actually, I don't see that is a kind of, that is not a kind of hurdle for in case of Sita, and she's picking up very well. I'm not attributing she's that great or something, but considering both of them are equal to me, and actually, so how to give that sense to Abhiram? That's what I'm trying to put that question, because you are the you can give good guidance on that part.
So to begin with, you can start with music. Nowadays, more of Spanish songs are played and children are able to sing. What I remember is Despacito is a Spanish song, yeah, and children are singing. Well, I can't sing that song, but they can sing the complete. Yeah.
Right.
Expose them with the song. They don't know the meaning, but they are able to. The pronunciation is in place. They are able to sing. Like some Marathi songs, they don't know the song, but it has been popular. Ghar Kai Ghari Yete Ka Kai, something like this, and children are singing those songs. So you can start with this, then come with the small rhymes. So there's a bit. Listen, and then they start saying it and singing it, and then they start understanding it. Oh, why this Kolavadi Di? You know that song? Yeah, so that's a beautiful example of language, multilingual. Yeah. The meaning is totally different, but children know what is it. It has a hidden meaning, a beautiful meaning. That's why the song was awarded. But who understand? But they all can sing. Vitamunda and this and everyone could sing at that age this song. So that's, yeah, you can relate it. You can relate it. Let him sing. Expose him to different songs, sir.
Sure, we'll give you a attempt.
For those language. If yes, then take it ahead.
Sure, definitely. We'll try to put in practice. In fact, actually, we tried to put him in the music classes, and unfortunately, he hasn't showed up the interest. Somehow it went into the backtrack. And
no, it couldn't
being
be
a parent, being a parent, actually, it's like I want to see him in a kind of be par with every other student. That's what my
not about intention. Liking. You have to give him little more time to explore that. Probably he will give a switch saying that I like music. Give him little more time. Since you have started, give him little more time.
Okay.
So we have another meeting schedule. If it's a very interesting topic, I would like to speak whenever you are available. Let us know. If it is really helping Abhiram, we can talk on this.
Sure, ma'am. I would like to seek your feedback on this part. And all about his actually what I want to see him is some kind of there's improvement. I definitely would like to see more on that part.
Sure.
Thank you so much.
We are here, sir. We are here.
Thank you so much for your inputs.
Yes. So I think we are done. Anyone would like to say anything, or should I say bye and go to senior KG? We have
Avni wants to say something.
Yes.
Yes, Avni wants to say something. She wants to show you all something. 1 minute. Sure.
Oh.
While I was on the call meeting, she has just drawn the Ganpati Bappa for you all to show you all.
Yeah, we can
She
see
was
that.
urging me to just interrupt you all in between. I said, no, not in between. Let them get done and then we will show them.
God of knowledge, Ganpati Bappa Moria.
Moria. Thank you so much, Avni. Thank you so much. Very thoughtful of you. Very thoughtful.
Good girl.
Say thank you.
Yes,
She's
Lavina?
down with cold today.
Oh.
Okay.
Yes, parents, thank you so much.
Ma'am, can I please interrupt? I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry to interrupt actually. This is Aniruddha, Vivan's elder brother. So, ma'am, when I talked about the other languages and all, see, the problem lies with, there's no problem lies with any of the teachers. The teachers are excellent, I'm telling you. Marathi teacher is very excellent actually. There is no problem with the teachers actually. There's no problem with teachers. Teachers अच्छे पढ़ाते हैं, मजाक नहीं कर रहा हूँ, सही में अच्छे पढ़ाते हैं. The only problem lies with the new language and all. That's the reason. The teachers are excellent. That's the only thing I have to say.
Don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. We are very appreciative of the trust that you have in us. So don't worry. We've just started the language. It's all new to them. It is going to take some time, but they will get there. And for them to do what is expected out of them is entirely our responsibility. And you absolutely don't have to worry about that. I'm saying this in front of all parents. I've said this in the past as well, that whatever is academically required will be our responsibility. But as parents and as school, we need to be patient with every child. For us, all children are not on the same level. For us, every child has different skills and different strengths. We need to work on their strengths, okay? And take them ahead. And if they're falling back on something, we are here to fix it. Don't worry. But let's work on his strength. If his strength is EVS, if his strength is math, that's what we need to focus upon. Let's not do this mistake of, ये subject नहीं आता इसलिए इसके लिए tuition में भेजते हैं ताकि सब subject में average आ जाएगा. नहीं, हमें जो उसका strength है उसको better करना है. हमें ये सोच लाना है अपने आप में that if my child is good in something, I need to push my child, give all the facilities required to better in that, and not just make him an average child. So it's not about whether he can do it and others in the class can do it, cannot do it. No. Whatever is required academically, teacher will take through with that. And if any of your child, has got a B or a B plus or something like that, please, this is just for us to experience this entire process. It is not for us to check कि इसको कितना समझ है. नहीं. हमें ये process experience करना है और हम हर एक को उसके हिसाब से बढ़ने का समय देना बनता है. एक पौधा भी लगाते हैं तो 10 के 10 फूल एक साथ नहीं उगते. जबकि फर्टिलाइजर, पानी, पूरा सब कुछ पूरे पौधे को डाला जाता है. सारे के सारे फूल एक साथ नहीं निकलते उसके. One flower blooms today, 10 days later the other flower blooms. It all depends upon which flower is ready to bloom at what time. We need to be patient. हम तब भी उसको रोज पानी डालते हैं ना, महीने में एक बार खाद भी डालते हैं ना. वो खाद हमारा PTM है, वो हम डालते जाएंगे. हर रोज का जो पानी है वो हमारा क्लासरूम है, वो हम करते जाएंगे. जब उसका ब्लूमिंग टाइम आएगा उसको तब एप्रिसिएशन देना सबका काम है. Let us very, very clearly remember that every flower will bloom at a different time. And we need to appreciate that time taken, because even with all of us as parents here, we are all on different levels. हम सबके strengths अलग है. हम एक parent को दूसरे parent के साथ compare करने का सोच भी नहीं सकते. It's impossible. This just cannot be done. So similarly, it goes with children as well. Let's give them their time. They will get there. Patience is the key. With patience, they will learn. Let's give that patience time to them.
Yes, sure. 100%.
Thank you.
Correct. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much for being such a responsible brother. Seriously.
Yeah, thank you so much for that also, ma'am. Thank you.
Okay. All right, Padma Ji, any last closure words with you?
close your words, keep your children reading, give them more books, more exposure, have happy and safe Diwali, eat sweets, digest sweet, do some exercises. Devendra sir especially mentioned that children, you all will be, you all will be eating sweets, but yes, Devendra sir, your words. Please excuse me, Kavita, I would.
Yes, you carry on, I'll be here. Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Yes, sir,
Ma'am, 60 minutes. Good morning and happy Diwali. मुझे पर्सनली पेरेंट्स को थैंक यू कहना है, क्योंकि हम लिंक्स बनाते, वीडियो बनाते, ग्रुप पे सेंड करते हैं, वो आप बच्चों को दिखाते हो और वैसे ही क्लास में होना चाहिए ये भी आप उनको मतलब बताते हो जो एक्सरसाइज है, तो उसके लिए स्पेशली पेरेंट्स के लिए थैंक यू। तो मतलब मेरा मतलब स्पेशली मेरा सब्जेक्ट जो है पी का, तो अराउंड 50% काम आप कर रहे हो कि उनको बताने के लिए, बाकी 50% काम मैं कर रहा हूँ कि उनको करेक्ट करने के लिए, तो इसके लिए थैंक यू। और मुझे ये अच्छा लगता है कि पेरेंट्स भी इन्वॉल्व है उनके साथ, क्योंकि आपको भी उसको टाइम मिल रहा है उनके साथ खेलने के लिए। मतलब हम अभी लॉकडाउन है तो पोस्टर है, आपको भी टाइम मिलता है, जब भी आपको मतलब टाइम होता है तो आप उनके साथ भी एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो, उनको बता रहे हो। मतलब आप जब स्कूल टाइम में अगर आप खेलते हो या नहीं खेलते हो, बट आज ऐसे लग रहा है कि आप बच्चों के साथ खेलते हो, तो ये बहुत हैप्पीनेस है। सो थैंक यू फॉर दैट। सो बस यही फीडबैक है। और स्पेशली और एग्जाम के लिए फीडबैक ये था कि जैसे ऑनलाइन एग्जाम थी, बट ऐसे लगा नहीं कि एग्जाम ऑनलाइन है। मतलब जैसे उनको कहा गया था, जैसे उनको बताया गया था, जो क्वेश्चन पूछे गए थे, करेक्ट आंसर सबने दिए हैं, सबने उनके एफर्ट्स जितने उनका क्लास में भी थे वही एग्जाम के दिन भी थे। तो ये देख के बहुत अब हैप्पीनेस हूँ। तो थैंक यू फॉर पेरेंट्स की लिंक्स भेज के उनको दिखा के, तो थैंक यू वंस अगेन।
थैंक यू सर। सर आपका पंचलाइन मिस हो गया कि दिवाली में स्वीट्स के साथ साथ क्या करना चाहिए?
हाँ, आप फेवरेट फूड मतलब दिवाली के वक्त आप खाने वाले हो, तो मतलब मैंने टीचर्स को भी कहा है, पेरेंट्स को भी है, को भी है कि फेवरेट फूड खाने के बाद भी एक्सरसाइज करते रहे। मतलब जब हम दिवाली के बाद वापस आएंगे तो अरे सर ने एक्सरसाइज कहा है, अब कैसे करेंगे, बहुत कुछ खा लिया है, तो ये ना हो, इसलिए एक्सरसाइज करते रहिए। सो हैप्पी दिवाली।
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, all parents, for your time. It was really wonderful meeting all of you just before Diwali. Although we are just, on a technological platform, but the day of meeting in person shouldn't be too far away. All the best. Wish everyone a beautiful Diwali. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Mask पहनना मत भूलना. पटाखे जला रहे हो तो safety रखना कपड़ों के साथ, हाथ के साथ. Take good care of yourself, children. All the best. Wish you a very happy Diwali.
Happy Diwali, all of you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Diwali, happy Diwali to everyone.
Teacher, you teaching Hindi are teaching my mother Hindi.
Karthik is translating whatever you are telling in Hindi to me.
I'm telling that on my mother know on Telugu language. I'm telling on just on Telugu.
Very good.
Indian Marathi.
Very good. Very good, Karthik. Very nice. Chalo. Take care, everybody. Have a happy Diwali.
Bye bye, Pate.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
Bye bye, Abhiram. Bye, Abhiram. Bye
Bye bye. Happy Diwali.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.